Declaration and initialization of C variables. C variables are names used for storing a data value to locations in memory. The value stored in the C variables may be changed during program execution. Declaration of variable. Declaration of variable in C can be done using following syntax. Data type variable name, or data type variable 1, variable 2, variable, where data type is any valid C data type and variable name is any valid identifier. For example, int a, float variable, float a, b. Initialization of variable. C variables declared can be initialized with the help of assignment operator =. Syntax. Data type variable name equals constant literal expression, or variable name equals constant literal expression. Example: int a equals 10, int a equals b plus c, a equals 10, a equals b plus c. Multiple variables can be initialized in a single statement by single value. For example, a equals b equals c equals d equals e equals 10. Note: C variables must be declared before they are used in the C program. Also, since C is a case-sensitive programming language, therefore the C variables ABC, ABC, and ABC are all different. Constant and volatile variables. Constant variables. C variables having same or unchanged value during the execution of a program are called constant variables. A variable can be declared as constant using keyword const. For example, constant a equals 10. Now, if we try to change its value, then it is invalid. Volatile variables. Those variables that can be changed at any time by some external sources from outside or same program are called volatile variables. Any variable in C can be declared as volatile using keyword volatile. Syntax. Volatile data type variable name. Note: if the value of a variable in the current program is to be maintained constant and desired not to be changed by any other external operation, then the variable declaration will be volatile const d equals 10.